fresh out of church, y'all. We didn't feel like cooking today. So, you know, we went to go check out Backyard and yeah, see what they got going on. You know, we got this good food. Fuck, I just want to thank for this food be a blessing. He's to my body and then Yeshua. Amen. Time to eat. I got kingfish and rice and peas. My wife got barbecue fried chicken with rice and peas. And of course, we got some potato salad. So potato salad tastes like, because as Jamaicans, we're not known for potato salad. So we want to see what it tastes like. Matter of fact, let me taste that potato salad. Potato salad. Potato salad's not bad. It's pretty good. Flavor is there. I wish it wasn't as, it could be a little less watery, but it's not bad. I'd rather it a little bit drier, but that might just be my preference with the way how my wife make her potato salad, you know, but it's good. Flavor is good. Shout out to them. Yeah. Taste that chicken. What that chicken tastes like?
The chicken? It has like a sweet taste to it.
What is that, barbecue fried?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, people, she got the barbecue fried. Jamaican is known for having the barbecue fried chicken. She said chicken's good. It's the Jamaican potato salad. I judge most Jamaican spot off their rice. Their rice legit. I give it to them. The rice is legit.
Could have been a little more shelly, but it's still not.
No, this rice is legit. It could be, but it's legit. I give them 8.5 on the rice. Can't really go wrong with kingfish. I give the kingfish 7.8. 7.8. Rice is 8.5. Y'all do the math. We give them an 8, I guess. Hey, they put some seasoning on the kingfish. Could cut back on the seasoning a little bit. 7.8. Final. Shout out Backyard.